friends, welcome to Explode Apps. To activate the developer mode in Xiaomi POCO F1, you have to go to the settings of the phone, then click on about phone. There you can find the option MIUI version for POCO. Next to that, the MIUI global number, you have to click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see that it's showing you are now a developer. So next, if you want to use this for Android Android Studio for development purpose, so then you need to go to the settings again, search your developer modes, developer options. In that, make sure the USB debugging is switched on. So install the apps through cable. So thank you friends, thanks for watching.